Let's face it, as we age, our top part really does change, right? So the question is, are you making these 5 mistakes when you're choosing tops? Now, although it's just my opinion, I really think that a lot of these ideas are going to ring true to you. So let's take a look at mistake number 1. You're wearing a top with a built-in bra. Now, these are everywhere right now, and the built-in bras, you might think to yourself, well, that's a great idea. I don't think so, because if you order an extra large because you need it in the body, you might be smaller on top, right? And then if you need a small because, you know, you're smaller in the body, you might be a little larger on the top. So how do they determine the perfect dimensions? It's very, very hard for the manufacturers to do that. And a lot of them, of course, they have the padding in them, which I think is maybe another bit of a problem, and that is washing. I mean, you're going to throw this in the washing machine, and then the bra might go out of shape and all those kind of things. So as you can see, this is one with spaghetti straps. I quite liked it when I bought it, and then I found out it really didn't fit my body completely in all the dimensions that I had. So I'm going to show you an alternative. An alternative is just to buy a camisole like this. Now, this particular camisole, it's about $10. It's mostly cotton, a little bit of spandex. And the nice thing is you can put your own bra underneath it. It also comes in 22 different colors. So there you go. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, yeah, you know what, I could put a bra underneath that, I guess, but you're going to need a bandeau bra like this one. And let me just look at my notes here. Yeah, this is one of Amazon's picks, and it's only $20, and it comes in the beige color, and it also comes in black. And let me tell you, having a bandeau bra, whether you're wearing, you know, maybe spaghetti straps or no straps at all, whatever you're wearing, especially in the warmer weather, you gotta have one of these. It's absolutely fabulous. And of course, I'll have all of the good items that I'm modeling underneath the video description, also in the comments, and that includes that bandeau bra. And if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesome over50, you're going to find all of the tops that I love. So I'm really excited to bring those to you, and that's just in the top section. Anyway, let's get to mistake number 2. I know this look is all over the runways, and many young women are wearing this style. But I just think that a look like this just seems as though a more mature woman is just trying too hard. Now, if you love the look of lace, and who doesn't, try wearing that cami and bandeau bra under it. It's more of a modest look, but still quite attractive. And although this lacy top is no longer available, I did find one very similar for you. And the last time I checked, it was on sale for 17% off for just $28. And for a little bit more of a glamorous look, why not wear a black blazer like this one for $59? Isn't this a fabulous and chic look that you can even wear with a pair of pants and still be a head turner? And by the way, don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to have, you know, an inspirational message for you, and it's going to be all about confidence. And by the way, if you're finding that you're losing a little bit of confidence or self-esteem, don't forget I have a new channel. It's on YouTube. Just search on YouTube, Age Empowered. And right after this, you can go to there and take a look at it. It's just, I'm talking for about 15 minutes on 5 different practices to get a little more self-confidence, a little bit more self-esteem, and you can start applying them today. So I'd really like it if you join me in that community and get those tips. And by the way, if you do stay until the end of this video, you're going to see a yellow screen pop up, and you'll see me in a blue top. You can actually go right to that channel on the end screen of this video. So there you go. All right, that was a lot. Let's get into the next tops mistake. Okay, we're on tip number 3, so let's take a look. The Parisian chic look is everywhere, and of course that means horizontal stripes like this. But if you're a bit heavier on top, the horizontal stripes will add pounds and width to you. Now, I do love this top, and last time I checked it was just $10, and it's a cotton blend. I also have a similar one in red that I'll link for you. It looks fabulous under that black blazer as I showed you earlier. But if the weather is warmer, a shrug like this or the blazer, it kind of breaks up the stripe. And by the way, this shrug is just $25, and it still keeps you cool with a crochet airflow. And by the way, it's also available in about 40 different colors. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s anymore, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. But for now, let's look at the next top mistake. I bought this lacy top thinking it was so pretty, but really it's much too much. It's got a little bit of a 70s vibe to it, but with all the lace, bell sleeves, and oversized style, it's wearing me and I'm not wearing it. Better to look a little more sleek with this lovely top with lacy detail on the sleeves, and it also has flow-through to keep me cool. This top comes in 5 colors and is just $20. I'm actually also ordering it in a slate blue. And by the way, it's mostly cotton with spandex. Of course, I'm wearing a pair of jeans by NYDJ that I absolutely love, and they are stretchy with a tummy tuck, and the kind is called, or the name of the jean rather, is called Cherry Slims. I also have a link for them in the comments and also in the description box. And by the way, whenever you're ordering online, especially for tops, every single top or blouse that you order will have its own size chart. So know the circumference of your bust, and you can see right there, those are some of the inches for the bust and also for the waist. So this really helps so that you don't have a lot of returns to fold up and send back. For my next tip, we could all be a little bit like Goldilocks. Let's not wear tops that are too tight or also too short around the midriff. And also, let's not wear those oversized tops that we think are hiding our weight, but actually are making us look many pounds heavier. Let's find a top that is just right. Not body hugging, but rather body skimming, like this beautiful one that's 100% cotton, and last time I checked it was available for just $15 in 17 colors. And also it's available in short sleeves. I have this in a few colors, and a cotton top is always great for the warmer weather. And talking about Goldilocks, didn't she have a lot of self-confidence walking into those bears' home? Well, you know, I think that's great, but this is real life, right? And studies show that women, they lose their confidence. 50% of women lose their confidence and feel that they are invisible after the age of 50. Now, I was interviewed by Women's World magazine on just this topic, and what I think is you are not invisible. You just think you are. And there are ways that you can kind of regain your confidence and self-esteem, and once you do, wow, it changes your life. Little things like not wearing black all the time, or hiding under oversized clothes, or really just being with toxic people and trying so hard to have them like you. You know what? Find people that actually like you. And sometimes it means going out of your sphere of friendships and relationships, and find people. Maybe you like art, so you go to an art class, or maybe you join a book club, or maybe even that pickleball team. And just remember that the yellow screen is coming up in just a second. Look for me in a blue top, and you can go right to the Age Empowered YouTube page, and I've got about a 15-minute chat on this. The point is to find your tribe, so to speak. You know, spend a little less time with those people that don't respect you. You are a wise woman with amazing history, and you deserve to be appreciated. So hold your head up high, you know, walk into the room, be an amazing, wise woman. And for me, that's just another way to be loving our age.